Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over service charges or service fees. So for this, we're going to want to go to hrpos.heartland.us, go to the menu here at the top left, and go to Account Menu. And then once you're in Account Menu, you're going to want to go down to Service Charges and Fees. So service charge or fee could be it could be a credit card fee that you want to add on. It could be a gratuity. It could be a delivery fee, etc., etc. For this example, we're going to do how to add a gratuity. So your create new is going to be here if you've never created one before. Otherwise, it's going to be up here in the top right. So we're going to go to create new and we're going to give it a name. Let's go with gratuity. Now credit cards here is the one you would choose if you wanted to do a credit card fee through this feature. There are other ways to do it now. And here's the default amount. We're going to do 18% gratuity, and so it'll automatically do 18%. And we have the option for tippable. This basically is going to adjust any auto gratuities or tip suggestions or anything, and we don't want it to affect those numbers, so we're going to undo that. So that way, if they do want to add an extra tip in addition to the 18%, the 18% that was added on won't affect that tip amount. Then do you want it to apply post-tax or before tax? Is it a service charge? So this is the option we actually want. It sets this as a service charge fee type to be service charge or gratuity that can be paid out to the server. So we want to choose yes. And then for service charges, we do want to make sure this is non-revenue because the restaurant or store is not going to consider this service charge as revenue. And then of course here's where you would select an auto apply if you wanted to do the auto apply and then choose a party size. Now if you're going to do the auto gratuity with the party size, then you got to make sure your staff is entering a number of guests correctly. Otherwise leave that off and that way it'll be manually selected. And of course you can have a minimum maximum here too as well if you want. And then you just hit save here. And then hit close. And then don't forget to publish changes. Now let's go see what that looks like on the workstation. Okay, so now that we added our gratuity button, we're going to test it out. I rang in several Cokes. Now, the gratuity is going to be in the same section. Because the gratuity affects the whole ticket, it's going to be in the same section as the ticket discount area. So we're going to go to checkout and we're going to choose the adjust. And here we see our gratuity that we added. So we choose that and then it has 18% and allows you to hit the apply button to apply it. And then it puts on the gratuity there. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.